This is down as I can get this thing. Okay. We're going to be building this. It's gonna be a very rough build. The Lego Hobbit special smell. It came with the definition smell on Blu-ray. So that boy up. I'm trying to make sure I don't lose anything. Oh God. Okay, here we go. We have the instructions. That's always good. Oh no. Got it. One dropped on the floor. No, actually, I went like under here to get it.
My goodness. Wow, that's a lot of
Pieces.
that's a lot of pieces there.
So first of all, I was going to assemble Lego that's because it's easy. So here's the body. Just put the legs so you can walk. I'm going to show his angry face. Angry face. There's two faces. So this is angry face. Oh, it's just like Bilbo. Calm face. Well, except he has movable legs, which is actually really cool because it's just a shorter thing. And then here, let me put on his bow. His bow is here. Oops. Okay. Love Legos. Lego movie's amazing. Go see it. If you have not, even though it might be out. Crap. I'm trying to assemble this here. Oh my God, they have elf ears on the hair accessory. So, oh crap. Here we go. Legolas is officially built. The bow is really hard to put on there. That's my one complaint about all the Lego bow and arrows. They're actually really hard to get on. Okay, so now we have to get down to the gritty stuff. The assembly of this. Is it a red? Oh no, it's a brown. Okay, I was say. Okay. Okay, so we need this piece right here. I know, this is really exciting, isn't it? Okay, so be facing like that, so that piece. Okay, see, it's like that. Pound. See, it's up for perfection. It's like okay, so that's done. Now I need the gray. No, the gray. Like that. Oh yeah. Wait, huh? It's this, I believe. Take a look. I mean, they really don't. Okay. So, oh, okay, one second. I might just pause this. Because they look way too much better than the 6-year-olds. They really don't give too many in-depth instructions here. I built something. Okay. I mean, they've really done it. I mean, I'm looking at this. I'm, what, 14 years old. And, I mean, I'm confused on how to build this thing. Okay, these studs. You little studs. Separate about Legos. Don't give you the exact amount you need. So, if you lose one, you have to I'm lucky I found mine. Okay. So what is this? Oh no, this goes up here. Okay. Okay, this is what I've built so far. I think this is the arrow. Oh, cool. That's cool. I like that. That's cool. Two brown pieces. Here. Okay, this is cool. It's looking cool. No Earth-like. Oh, this could almost be the black arrow. Oh, if Legolas is the one that lets it off, that would be amazing. But yeah, here it is. I mean, this is part of the, I mean, I can see it. It's a crossbow. No, it just says to rotate it. I mean, that's it. I mean, I think it's really obvious that you have to connect A to B to make this part. Okay, so yeah, be this. There. This is the first one of these pieces I've gotten. I'm excited about that. It's looking terrainy, I guess you could say. Terrainy. Don't even know what. I just made up a word. It's cool. Jones is out spectacular. I have terrainy. um, I guess this is what I believe where the arch is going to go. Do I have to do the same thing? I might just take. I have to do the same thing. No, I don't. Cool. I might have to. For 5. I think I might have to redo everything. Okay. So then I have to make boom, boom. Okay. Okay, this was surprising. This was surprising. Somehow I thought it was gonna be a lot more intricate. I can't do this going off of the cover photo. I would. Yeah, this is it looks almost like a toilet. um. Oh no, Siri. Okay, I was skipping instructions. So boom, boom. Oh crap. Okay. Oh wait. Yep. I totally skipped instructions. Okay. I skipped 4, but yeah, this is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna show you guys, but yeah, it's somewhat fun to have you guys along with me. Okay, so the brakes go back there. The instructions are really unclear on this thing. Cause I mean, I understand what it's supposed to be like now, but I mean, damn, the one color looks. I see a little bit. I mean, not that much. Here's what I have so far. I'm gonna be showing you guys like after each step. Damn. Okay, so I'll take this. Okay, so just run away from there and towards there. Okay. Let's create that. Okay. Then we're gonna take this and put it onto that. Right? Yeah. I have a bunch of extra pieces. Is there a backside? Okay. Yeah, there's a backside. I never even noticed that. Yeah, here's the ring. It's ultimately going to be the ring in which you are probably going to end up trying to get this, using this into. Okay, so 5. What? Oh, okay. So I have to recreate that. Okay. Wait, what? Confused. Okay. It's so unclear. Okay. Okay, so I need to do this. So, I'm trying to look at this. Okay, so I have to go off of 6. I mean, literally I do. I mean, it's annoying me. So, it's like, okay, here. Bro, I'm going to show you how to do the end result. Okay, so then. What? I don't have that piece, those pieces. No. No, 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 no. Crap. Okay. Let's say. Ooh, okay, so let's see what pieces are on here. I have to take a look. I lost something. It's just show me the pieces I got. But it doesn't, of course. So, pound. I'm going blindly here. Oh, did I finish it? Oh, I finished it. 90. Yay. 10 minutes. Okay, so here's the arching set, which is really confusing. I don't know how I'm supposed to fire this thing. Because, I mean, I got no other pieces, right? Make sure. I have no other pieces. This is a horribly designed mini kit. Because, yeah, it says I'm supposed to be able to arch this. What? Did I assemble this wrong? Oh, that might take me off. Okay. I don't understand this. Okay, so yeah, okay. What? There's only two of those. So, okay, so if I move this, kind of. Okay. I think I might have figured it out. Might have. Yeah, this mini kit's really not well designed, or the instructions aren't really well designed on this mini kit. Truly is not. The first mini kit design, keep in mind. I don't know if this is bad or good or. This is gonna be my makeshift ring. Doesn't look like it should, but I have to be able to rotate this so I can attempt to get this to go to that. I'll make that dirty. Somebody probably go there. There we go. Okay, I probably could have assembled this almost, like, without the whole... No! Okay. Almost should have assembled this. Okay. Sorry guys, this took me a while. Shocked. I thought I was going to be able to point this all the way down so I could show you guys step by step. Make it a little more interesting. I can't blame you guys if you guys have already clicked it away. But if you watched, thank you. Yeah, that should be it. Snap on. Okay, yeah, this is a poorly designed mini kit. The instructions do give you nothing. The tutor is there to show you, well, this is what you can make. But I designed, I think it's a really good one. So this is my design, and then boom. It's a little bit more clear. I mean, it's a little bit more obvious how I did it. But hey, you know what? I designed a better. I could design a better one than them. But you know what? Yeah, they're paid to do that. So they never Lego less. But really almost the badly, like horribly designed mini kit. But you know what? It'll be fun to mess around with and get a Lego last. I mean, that's pretty cool. So do not lose any of the pieces. I might have lost one or two, but I still made pretty much what they were trying to do. So yeah, bye.